Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the types of error in measurement of physical quantity, and I am going to explain the different types of error. First of all, error is the improper measurement which we get the observation and that observation is not same as the true value, then it is said to be an error. And error there are mainly two types. One is systematical and another is random error. So systematical error may be positive or negative because our observation which is measured by us is either greater than the true value or the less than the true value. If it is the greater than the true value, then it is said to be a positive error, and if it is the less than the true value, then it is called negative error. So here we have some sources of systematical error. First one is instrumental error. Suppose you are using the different kinds of instrument for the different kinds of measurement. If you want to get the temperature to be measured, then you will use the thermometer. If you want to find out or take an observation of length of any object, you will use the scale. Same as different kinds of measurements are taken by using different kinds of instrument. But if you using the defected instrument, and if the instrument has defect, then your measurement must be wrong, and that kind of error is said to be the instrumental error. Here an example is given that if the calibration on the thermometer is wrong, then the boiling point of water is 10 degree instead of the 100 degrees Celsius. So suppose vernier calipers you will use in a lab, and that is a practical for you. So if the marking of both hands, vernier scale may not calibrate with 0 mark of the main scale, and if the difference between vernier scale and main scale, then the measurement will be wrong. So this is the instrumental error. Next one is imperfection in experimental technique. Suppose when you are taking an experiment, but your body language, your head, your eyes, these are the using, suppose you are taking a temperature of any body, and if you are not making proper contact of thermometer to the body, then you will not get the proper result of the temperature of a body. Same thing is there. Suppose when you are watching the measurement in thermometer and your head is moving to and fro, so or not in proper way, your eyes and the thermometer are in proper length, मतलब તમારી આંખો જે થર્મોમીટરનો મર્ક્યુરી છે એને જે પ્રોપર વેમાં જોવાની સિચ્યુએશન હોય એ રીતે ના જોઈ શકો તો you will get error, you will get wrong observation. Another thing is that temperature, humidity and also velocity during the experiment, wind velocity, systematically error can be created by the another conditions of external conditions like humidity, wind velocity. Suppose when you are taking temperature of a body, and at that time instant somebody has started the fan and AC also at the same time, so you will not get the proper temperature of the body. So imperfection of experiment technique. Third one is personal error. Personal error, that means personal error arise to an individual bias, lack of proper setting of the apparatus or individual carelessness. मैं कहूँ एम अगर टेम्परेचर मापवा माटे थर्मोमीटरનો યુઝ કરો તો you are not suppose putting in a proper way the thermometer with the body, so you will get error. Suppose you are watching the thermometer and if your head is in not proper situation or in a proper way, if you don't watch the thermometer in proper way, so you will get little bit difference according to the true value. You will not get the true value. So these three are the systematical errors. One is the instrumental error, second one is experimental technique, and third one is personal error. Now second type of error is said to be a random error. These error which occur irregularly and random with respect to the sign and size are called random error. That means, suppose when a person repeats the same observation, suppose you are taking the length of a pen and today after 1 minute, 2 minutes or 1 day, so you will, when you are taking so many observations for the same experiment, you will get the different kinds of measurements or different kinds of observations you will get. So every time your measurements is differ from the earlier. So such kind of error is called random error. દરેક વખતે તમે જે મેજરમેન્ટ લેતા હોય એક જ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટનું તો એમાં તમને જુદા જુદા મેજરમેન્ટ મળે, તો સચ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ એરર ઇઝ સેડ ટુ બી એ રેન્ડમ એરર. તો મેં સિગ્નિફિકન્ટ ફિગર્સના વિડીયો મોકલ્યા છે, અરે નોટ મોકલી છે, અને સિગ્નિફિકન્ટ ફિગર્સનો વિડીયો પણ મોકલ્યો છે, અને આ બીજો હું મોકલું છું. સિગ્નિફિકન્ટ ફિગર્સનો વિડીયો જોવાનો છે, એની નોટ વાંચવાની છે, એના આધારે હું એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ આપીશ, અને આ હોમવર્ક તરીકે આ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ એરર તમારે લખવાની છે. અને આ જો વિડીયો આ ટાઈપથી જે સોફ્ટવેરથી વિડીયો બને છે એમાં જો સમજણ ના પડતી હોય તો આપણે બોર્ડવાળા વિડીયો મૂકીશું. દાખલાઓ તો બોર્ડ ઉપર જ ગણાવીશ અને સમજાવીશ, પણ થિયરિકલ પોર્શન છે એ આમાં મોકલું તો તમારે નોટ્સ બીજેથી શોધવાની જરૂર પડે નહીં. ઓકે, અગર તમને આમાં કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો યુ કેન આસ્ક મી, યુ કેન ક્વેશ્ચન મી, you can call me and I will properly explain and answer you. Okay, thank you very much.